open it up. Open, let him open his own present, please.
Good idea. You put the button.
10 wheels.
No, he's got it.
10.
Just pull that. No, put it flat.
Oh.
That's for him to open. That's his present. Give him his present, baby.
Wow, you got what? Another snazzy toy.
And I think it's actually
And you can put them. Do you have other ones of those? You can put them in there and keep them nice and safe.
Pokemon Black Pulsing 2!
And do you know what kind of drum?
You didn't want that, did you? Are you happy?
Yes!
You have big smiles? Oh, and that's a special coin that came with the game.
What?
So that you can, that's a special collectible coin, and you can keep it for special. And you know what? We got something else that goes with the game. Maybe Bailey can read it to both of you.